Hello viewers, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to change your background, desktop background image or wallpaper. So I'm just open Microsoft Store and just download one flower or dynamic island wallpaper. So I'm choose just one desktop live wallpaper and get. So click get icon and wait for loading and desktop. Okay, already download started, and just change background theme automatically. Okay, download, and I'm just back and next wallpaper. So wallpaper personalize. So I'm try here wallpaper HD for YouTube. So I'm just download and click get, then launch, wait for launch, and I hope you enjoy this video. So guys, I'm just download complete. Okay, installing, then 1%. So guys, previous I'm downloading desktop wallpaper and open it. Without downloading. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel, and I hope this background is here. So guys, goodbye. Next time chat with another new episode. So bye bye.